Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about EMTEK GeForce RTX 4070 Super Miracle X3 by 12GB graphics card. So friend, this triple fan model seems to stick with NVIDIA's reference specification, and friend, it remains uncertain whether EMTEK will utilize the same PCB as NVIDIA, and the asking price is $680 when factoring in religion taxes. And friend, the EMTEK's Miracle H3 cooling solution seems to be fairly robust, featuring 46 heat pipes, so an adherence to stock clock is a side surprise. And friend, the company's gaming pro line include a couple of factory overclock options. And friend, a dual fan GeForce RTX 4070 Super Miracle White 12GB model also exists. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.